Why? Hey guys, it's Shaf or Jaden back here again. We're making second video. So yeah, I'm gonna try and post daily, but I might be able to post like many videos in the matter of a day. So yeah, let's press Windows. And then, dang, I can't do it yet. Alright, now I press Windows. So yeah, I don't have a Mac. Freestyling, ooh, kill it, ooh.
Where are we jumping?
Salty. Alright. Just don't look at the map, and when we pass by Salty, just jump. Kiki, you love me. What?
50 shots.
Huh. Alright, I jumped. Alright, so boys, we got that auto run on that PC. So yeah. I don't know if you guys can see my time, but my time on my computer is 3 hours behind. Yeah. I like this. I like this. Alright, I'm landing basement now. Alright, if you're coming, go on the inside. Why can't I click?
I'm right here.
Alright, here, you get everything over here. I'm going basement. And you break the walls too. Break the walls over there. Get out the way. Ooh, a hunting rifle. Let's go. We about.
I got a problem.
No, that's fine. It's fine. I got a hunting. Why? So you're an AR person, mate. Swear. Yeah, and somebody already came in this town. I'll take one. I'll take one. But you ain't getting any of this, bro. Already took it, bro.
Wait, where are you? I'll meet you.
Nah, bro. I'm mining. I'm getting all the stuff in the basement. I have an AR for you. Go all the way down, and behind the stairs, there's a special place where you could go. You'll see it. Behind the stairs, do you see? Yeah. Alright, look. Blue. Wait, you haven't played Fortnite in so long. Blue. And I need the pump, all the pump bullets. Give me blue and green. And give me the pump bullets. Yeah, you do. Why? Hey. Thank you. And you could take that. That's for you. Yeah, that's
I have one.
Wait, you have a green AR? Oh, so you're dual wielding. I'm going to the circle.
Okay, me too. Let me do that.
Bro, I hate when the circle goes to shift you. So yeah, this is Fortnite 50v50 number 2.
Subscribe.
No, subscribe to me.
Subscribe to both of us.
Sure.
Yeah, I'm gonna make
Alright. So yeah, I got the sensitivity high AF on this. Well, not that high, but I have a very like sensitive wrist, so I could go like I'm very fast on my wrist. So I do like 360s all day long. Like in my what's it called?
How do you go all the way over there?
Because bro, auto run.
Oh, yeah.
Trap, bro, trap. That's why I use PC. I can't believe Sony. You can't play with PS4 players. I can only play with I can play with everybody, but since Sony is so selfish and only wants money, meanwhile we have a Sony TV. Ooh, another blue pump.
Yeah, right. You see me like,
And I'm talking trash though. Hey,
imagine. Like what you say?
I'm like
What
Sony.
you say?
So, they like I'm sorry, but I might sound like a hater, but honestly, Sony
Stay where you are.
really only Sony wants is money, and the only reason you can't play with Xbox players or you can't even play with iOS or PS4 players.
Because they want people.
No, because that's a direct competitor, and so I feel like by doing that, more people will want like an Xbox because so you could play with like Nintendo Switch players, you know, and even the Nintendo Switch when you have the controller thing, um, it turns into like an Xbox controller. It looks like an Xbox controller. We're heading into Tilted
Yeah.
on 50, so it's not as dangerous. And there's a supply. I don't know if you guys see right there.
Oh, I think everyone's off.
Nah, bruh. What? Yo, I swear. Don't. Are you serious? I hate you, bro. Stupid drift. Well, meanwhile, I am a drift.
I just got shot.
No, you didn't.
Someone shot.
I gotta edit my pyramids. Alright. I got my pyramid.
Okay.
I know, I see them. I see them.
I know, I saw them too.
Hold up, come up here. Come over here. Yeah.
What's the heck? Wait, what's the heck?
Yeah, mate. I'm a master at glitching, bro.
Where'd you go?
I'm a master, bro.
Where'd you? Now I have no idea where you are. Wait, did you go up there? Oh, yo, there's a tag down here.
You could take the tag.
Alright.
Yo, what the heck? Why can't I double ramp?
I got a blue revolver.
Why am I not double ramping? I'm trying to double ramp. I'm going to where I saw the enemy.
I have a tag and a blue revolver.
Yo, that has like a lot of what's the name? Where'd you see? Where'd you see?
Like over there.
Hold on. I need to farm. Give me all your materials.
I only have 180
That's good. That's good. That's a lot. Give me all your materials.
How?
You, yeah. Why? You just have to press Y. Alright, now I got some wood. Oh, there's some bandages over there. The only drink that when you get hurt. Oh, there's a drum gun over here. Wait, why would I do that? Choice. Alright, I'm taking the drum gun.
Can I take the burst?
Yeah. I love the burst. I'm so good with burst. I'm like boss with the FAMAS.
Oh, there's a chest.
No, it's
No,
car
it's
light.
light.
Are you good?
I just saw the light. I was like,
Yeah, I know. I see that in this building I like going to in Tilted.
oh, someone's shooting.
Did you get hit? Did you get hit?
No.
Yeah, because you keep on moving, right?
Yeah.
See, the thing is with people and sniper. Yeah. Alright, stay in place. Yeah, they shot me. They're an enemy. They're an enemy. Revive me.
Yeah, I'll give you the sword.
Alright, yeah. That's good. I need that flip juice, bro. Your attack only has 3 bullets.
Yeah. Oh, wrong button. No, wrong button. Alright, wrong button.
Alright, come on, come on, come on.
Sorry, that's it.
Alright, we've been going for 10 minutes straight. Yeah.
Oh, bandages.
Oh, come here, boy! Come here, boy!
Oh, are you dead?
Nah.
Remind me.
What?
No,
What?
hack.
This is what happens when you're laggy AF.
How did this happen to me?
Okay, so guys, that was a fail. So, no. So that'll be it for today. I'm sorry guys, but our videos can only go to 15 minutes. Sorry guys. So yeah. Peace, bro. I'm out.